Good morning! Happy Thursday, everyone! This is Liz coming to you live in a very beautiful day weather of Arizona. Grabe. Ang bahay na to, ang daming lemon. Nagbabagsakan siya, guys. Look at that. OMGG. Pwede po bang mamitas ng lemon? Ang grabe, ang dami niyang lemon. Come on, anak, come on. Right now, I have Bibi. Oops. My daughter is with me right now. Look at that. Come on, Bibi, ah. Diba? She's with me right now, guys. Ihi siya ng ihi. Anak, ano ba ito? Balisaw-saw ba, anak? Nakakailang ano ka na. Medyo minsan lang kami kasi sa parte na to. I mean, yung mga itong mga doggo children ko. Lagi kami dun sa kabila pag naglalakad sila. Kaya siguro she keeps marking. I don't know. Usually, 'di ba, lalaki dapat 'yan na nagmamark. But oh well. Anyways, guys, happy morning or good morning to everyone. Hope all you guys are having a great day today. OMG. Low-bat na pala ang aking phone, but nonetheless, I want to show up. Let's show up in the world. Show up in my beautiful page right now. Just drop my kids in school. Sabi ko, makapaglakad nga ulit. Pero itong isa, nung papalabas na ako, nagaano siya, feel niya talagang sasama siya. Kaya sabi ko, sige na nga, sumama ka na nga. Kaya yan. Normally, hindi kami sa part na to naglalakad. Doon kami sa kabila. Pero oh well. Halika na, anak. Ito si Bibi, guys, before, nung mga bata pa to, lakad lang kami, sandali, tapos magra-running din. Pinagra-run ko siya. Pero ngayon, because she's getting younger and younger, medyo iniiwasan ko naman na mag-jogging. No? Tama na yung walking. Okay na yan sa kanya. No? Right? Say hi to them, anak. No, you said, Mama, I'm very healthy and strong. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang siya, guys. Grabe, ang phone ko pala malulobat na. Oh well, pag nawala ako, guys, dahil nawala na ang phone ko, namatay na siya. But it's such a beautiful day. Walking. I don't know, baka hindi ako makapag-run right now, but we'll see. Siguro, Bibi, kahit ako lang mag-run, sandali. We'll see. Pero yan. Enjoy this beautiful day. Makakita tayo ulit ng labas. Tatawid na kami. Tawid na tayo. Sandali. You know, guys, this morning, di ba when I woke up, I wanna share this to you guys. Super happy, proud mom. And I know na-share ko rin sa post ko yan few minutes ago. Kasi ang aking mga anak, they show me their honor roll certificate again for the second quarter. So, I'm very happy and grateful about that. Tawid muna tayo, B. Kaya super proud mom, guys. Nakakatawa. At nakakaiyak din at the same time. Kasi, OMG, every time nakikita ko talagang yung mga achievements sa mga anak ko, I'm super proud of them. And I'm super proud of myself. And grateful to our Lord. Because, it's not easy raising, children. Right? Siyempre, nandun na yung physically, mentally, emotionally, 'di ba? Piling mo talaga kinukuha nila lahat ng lakas mo. Kaya minsan, pag alam ko na I am not I am not on my 110% for the moment. Talagang I really make sure I take my nap. Kasi alam ko if I don't, medyo, ang pasensya natin minsan sa ingay, something, 'di ba? Pero yon. 'Di ba? Last night then, grabe guys, time flies. I can't believe my children are really growing up so fast. Parang sabi ko, I still remember that video when we're in the car. They have all of their squishmallow in there. And now looking at my kids, OMG, they're already so big already. Mga tawag nga doon, pre-teenager, di ba? So, time flies. Time flies so fast. And I'm always grateful every day that, I'm given all of this time in the world, even as a single parent, that, I'm always in the house, I never miss any of my kids' milestones. And alam ko, if you are one of that parent, diba, that you wish the same thing too, I feel you. I used to be like that as well, especially after the life change in our family. I thought all will I do is work, and work. Find babysitter because, I cannot move, I can't work. There's no one I can rely to. Yeah, in the beginning, my mom helped me, but you can't also rely on your mom. She also have her own life, and ang mama ko nagsusuporta pa way back sa aming family in the Philippines, We have our brothers that's still studying before, my grandmother in the Philippines. But, right now, my grandmother is already here in the US. And mga kapatid ko naman, malalaki na sila. They have their own family. So, yung part na yun before na hindi ka natulungan ng nanay mo for the longest time, God has been so good. Kasi the right help, the right people, all the beautiful, good babysitter came to our life. And ngayon nga, 'di ba, parang looking back at those time, guys, parang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, grabe ang hirap. 'Di ba? When you're on that moment, you feel that gano'n na lang ba yung buhay mo, yung mundo mo every single day. Waking up so early in the morning. Kasi kahit naman may babysitter ako before, guys, I make sure yung mga bata may pagkain na. Talagang pupunta na lang talaga yung babysitter sa bahay to just make sure to watch the kids. Hindi ko ini-expect yung babysitter to cook for my kids. I make sure lahat ng yan nakahanda na. Ihahanda na lang pala niya. Lahat nakaluto na. Up to breakfast, lunch, snacks. Ganon, 'di ba? So, kaya grabe, during those time, parang feeling mo, it's forever, na wala nang katapusan, na maaga ka nang dapat gumising because day shift ka, pero super agahan mo pa yung gising, at least 2 hours before, 'di ba? So, oh my jeez. Pero alam nyo, that time flew so fast, at nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Panginoon na hindi nagtagal yung moment na yon. That's only like a season in my life that ended so fast. Pero yun nga, pag nasa moment ka, feel mo forever. Pero right now, look at that. I was just staring at watching my kids' video last night. And for me, everything was kind of fresh still. Pero oh my geez, it's already years ago na. Anak, I need to, dali lang guys ha, ibababa ko kayo. Ang aking rubber shoes ay kailangan kong ayusin. Okay. Halika na, anak. So to all the moms out there, 'di ba, mga parents out there, you think na napakahirap ng sitwasyon nyo right now. totally understandable. Kasi mahirap talaga siya pag na-experience mo siya sa moment. Yung puyat, yung pagod. Naalala ko yun, di ba? Yung mga anak ko super close of their age. So can you imagine when they were little, right? Parang yung isa, meron ng routine sleep. Tapos yung isa, di ba, he was just born, so wala siyang routine. So, he planned to be awake all day, all night. Yung mga moments na you really put a sign outside kasi you will, reminding, alerting all of the delivery driver to not ring the doorbell kasi mag-iingay yung aso at magigising yung bata. Oh my jeez. I remember all those great memories of our life. But you know what? Yung sinasabi talaga ng bawat tao na time flies and your kids grow up so fast. Guys, they are truth. It is truth. Kaya enjoy every moment talaga of your kids. Enjoy every moment. Kahit yung mga bata pa rin naman sila, pero ayan, I'm back. Akala ko hindi na babalik. If-finish ko na sana ang go live. Hi guys! So yun nga, going back to what I'm saying, tama yung sinasabi nila guys, that our kids grow up so fast. So fast. Kaya you as a parent right now, lahat naman tayo, we want to provide our children a beautiful life. Kaya financially talaga nagtatrabaho tayo ng mabuti. Grabe, sobrang ang buti-buti nga nag-overtime pa tayo. Pero, yes, my prayers to you is talagang makita nyo yung magandang opportunity sa buhay nyo. And, katulad nga ng napanood ko sa mastermind kagabi, 'di ba? How old she is already. Nandun na siya sa, malapit na siya mag-retire, no? And, she's an immigrant. Yung family nila, from Rome, they moved to Canada. And, syempre, everyone that's moving to a different state, dapat naman talaga meron kang stable job, diba? So, even on her age, na kung tutuusin is retirement age na siya, diba? Alam niya na kailangan niyang magtrabaho pa rin. So, what she did, thankfully, she found, sabi niya parang, online work job, something like that. Pero part-time lang. Until, she found nga daw this online business. Sabi niya, she have no idea about it, but when she had that online work from home job, sabi niya, that's where she started like wondering that, wow, there's opportunity out there online pala. 'Di ba? So that's when she start looking up for more opportunity online hanggang nakita niya nga yung online business. She don't have any clue what is this, pero sabi niya nga she will just try. And you know what guys, that's what I also did. I know my situation. I know na kahit nurse tayo, hindi naman tayo makakapagtrabaho, 'di ba? Overtime. Kasi lahat ng kinikita ko, ibibigay ko lang din, ibabayad ko lang din sa babysitter ko. And also guys, it's very clear to me, nung nagsimula ako magpamilya, that I wanna really be present on my children's life. So kahit alam ko na kailangan kong mag-provide sa kanila financially, give them a great life, I also wanna be present on my kids' life. Alam nyo kasi, nung bata ako, yun din yung pinaka-biggest realization ko talaga sa buhay ko. 'Di ba? I mean, I was raised by my grandmother. Ang mga magulang ko, ever since, magkahiwalay naman na talaga sila. So, minsan lang yung Yung mama ko parang once a year ko lang siyang nakikita. Ang tatay ko naman, ganun. I mean, maraming pagkakataon nakikita ko yung tatay ko, pero hindi kami talaga, in a way, magkasama sa bahay, diba? Bumibisita lang lagi ang tatay ko. So, when I was little, nandun yung lagi kong realization that when I become a parent, I don't wanna miss any milestone of my children. Kasi alam nyo, in any kid's life, hindi ko alam kung na-experience nyo to ha, some of you. Yung may different event ka sa school mo, field trip, or kahit anong event, and you see your classmate, they have their mom, their dad, or nanay, or tatay, or mama and papa in that event. Tapos ikaw, although lumaki ka na normal sa'yo na lola mo lang yung lagi nakikita mo, pero you have that, hindi mo pa rin maaalis yung feeling na, bakit nga ba yung nanay at tatay ko wala lagi sa event na to? So yun yung, kahit hindi wala akong pagtatampo or something, pero yun lang yung realization ko na, pag lumaki ako, pag naging magulang ako, yes, I wanna provide my children a beautiful life, but I also wanna be present in their life. So alam niyo guys, nagpapasalamat ako talaga sa Panginoon. And every day, I'm always sharing that to you because that's my story, you know? And that's my story as a single mother, as a single parent. I'm very grateful that I never miss any milestone of my children because that's very important. 'Di ba? Napaka-importante nun. Dahil yung mga anak natin, itong age na to, yung pinaka-importanting age sa buhay nila. Napaka-importante. Yung tipong that their world evolve on you, surround on you, that they adore you, na ikaw yung biggest person in their life that they want to see, they want to be with, they want to spend their time. If you miss this moment of their life, and that one day, they will accept the fact that you are not there and you're not gonna be there. And they're okay with it. Right? And that's the moment in my life na sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will never accept. I take a risk. I switch to becoming a part-time nurse. Nagtiis, nagtiyaga, kung ano yung pwedeng maiulam sa bahay, kung ano yung pwedeng maibudget, kung ano yung pwedeng ma-disconnect na hindi namin kailangan, gawin natin. Ang importante, kasama ko yung mga anak ko every day of their life. When they wake up, I'm there. When they sleep, I'm there. Minsan, alam ko, sawang-sawa na sila sa sa Tagalog, sa bunganga ng nanay nila. But I know at the end of the day, they know how much I love them so much. And that I'm very grateful to God. I'm very, very grateful to God. Malalaki na sila right now. There's moments, kahit gaano kami ka-close, may mga moments na independent na sila. Di ba yung panganay ko, mga ayaw na magpahalik, ganyan. Or magpi-field trip. Yung isa kong panganay right now, Mama, we're gonna go field trip. Alam mo talagang purposely sinabi niya. Nagbiro siya, pero talagang sinulat niya ha. In-X mark niya na no chaperone. Kasi alam niya every time, both of them, I want to be a chaperone. I want to apply for chaperone on their school. Why not, di ba? Nag-a-apply ako lagi ng volunteer. Pero yung panganay ko, talagang purposely minark niya, I do not want to be a chaperone. Sabi ko, what did you do? Why did you do this? Tapos he laughed. Sabi niya, Mom, don't go to the field trip. I'm okay. You know, I want to be my friends. Tingnan mo ha, ilang taon pa lang to. So, again, spend more time with your children. And kahit na ayaw na nila kayo makita sometimes, but you know what? Alam ng anak nyo na mahal nyo sila, you know? At lahat din naman tayo, nagdaan din naman tayo doon na, you know, as much as possible. ayaw nating kasama at ka-hangout lagi yung mga nanay at tatay natin, di ba? Na gusto lang nating kaibigan yung kasama natin. So, I understand that. Pero, yun nga, I'm very, very grateful na sa ayaw man nila at sa gusto nila, nandito lang ako lagi. And, minsan nga sabi ko sa sarili ko, you know what? I am like, dreaming of living there, living there like that kind of life. But then when I remember, shucks, my kids will be in college. So, it's best to be in the city, whatnot. So, yun, buong buhay ko talaga nag-evolve sa kanila. And I'm not regretting that, and I will not regret that. I always thank God na to be blessed, to have children, and to have beautiful, good children in my life. So, yun lang talaga. Yun lang yung masishare ko sa inyo, guys. Our wonderful family na even though, nagkaroon kami ng life changes sa buhay namin, but God is so good na yung mga bata, hindi nila nakita yon, hindi nila naramdaman yon, 'di ba? Hindi man kami magkasama na ng kanilang ama everyday. Alam ko may communication pa rin naman sila ng mga bata. So that's good, 'di ba? At kahit kailan, hindi ko rin naman pinigilan yung ama nilang makita siya or makapag-communicate sa anak niya, 'di ba? So that I'm very, very grateful for. At yun, basta we just leave it like that. 'Di ba? Importante ang mga bata, lumalaki sila, they know na mahal sila ng mga magulang nila. And I'm always grateful, like what I told you, ang importante kasi sa mga bata talaga may nakikita silang magulang. 'Di ba? They adore us, they love us. Itong sabi nga nila, these are the golden age of their life. And as a parent, try your best not to miss it. Because if you miss this golden moments, golden age of their life, alam ko naman, hanggat may buhay, may pag-asa, di ba? You just have to keep trying. Kung ang malalaki na yung mga anak mo right now, and talagang they don't wanna have any relationship on you, you know what? As a parent, just keep trying. Just keep trying. Accept your mistakes. Kasi kahit akala mo, ginawa mo yung mga bagay na yun sa kanila, at the mind of a kid, ang alam lang nila, wala ka doon palagi sa buhay nila. And that's the reality that, you just have to keep pushing yourself, until magsawa sila sa'yo, until the day that they will accept na, Mama or Dad, I love you, I miss you. At, pinapatawad ka na ng anak mo. 'Di ba? Kasi at the back of their mind, alam naman nila yan eh. Alam nila na yung nanay nila, tatay nila, ganon, ganyan, 'di ba? Kailangan magtrabaho or something. Kids, they understand that. Kasi looking back, 'di ba, tayo, naiintindihan naman natin eh. Naiintindihan naman natin. Kahit ako nung bata ako, 'di ba? In my beautiful younger years, naiintindihan ko naman na ang nanay ko kailangan magtrabaho ever since. 'Di ba? Pero parang ang nakakalungkot din na, 'di ba? Wala siya, pero nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. 'Di ba? Like right now, nabigyan kami ng moments talaga ni Mama to bond and to make up to all those lost times. Minsan, parang feeling mo, di ko pa rin, 'di ba, kilala yung nanay ko, or di niya pa rin ako kilala. But, you know what? At the end of the day, yung alam lang namin sa sarili namin, everything is good. It's okay. I understand. I'm already grown up. At nagpapasalamat naman ako na nakikita ko naman ang mama ko bumabawi naman ng sobra-sobra sa mga anak ko. 'Di ba? I'm not perfect. She's not perfect. Pero, it's all good, At the end of the day, family is family. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon that binigyan kami ng ganitong pagkakataon. This chance to make up to all those lost times. to make up all those lost times kasi hindi lahat tayo nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na ganun, 'di ba? Hindi lahat tayo, guys. So, yun lang po. Grabe, ang haba na sinabi ko. Pero yun lang, na-share ko lang sa inyo. Super proud mom. And just wanna share to you glimpse of our life. And my prayers is kung ano man yung situation mo right now, you will not stay there. Just keep going in your heart. God will give you those great ideas to improve your life. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng more family time with your family, idasal mo lang yan sa Panginoon at bibigyan ka niya ng ideas. How will that prayers of yours will come through? Okay? So yun lang po. Mauna na ako. Have a great day. God bless everyone and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, baby.